Introduction. Hey, connect to World Buddies. Today, let's uncover the term historian. It's not just about the past. There's more to this word. Let's journey through the annals of time with those who weave the tales of our history. Meaning. So, a historian is an individual who studies and writes about history. Historians analyze, interpret, and document past events, contributing to our understanding of the complexities and narratives that shape our world. Usage. Imagine a historian delving into ancient archives to unearth forgotten stories, or teaching the next generation about the lessons of history. Examples. Think of renowned historians like Herodotus, chronicling the Greco-Persian Wars, or contemporary historians researching modern geopolitical events. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's hɪഃstɔriən, a term that echoes with the echoes of the past, right? Different uses. Ever heard of oral historians? They specialize in collecting and preserving historical information through recorded interviews and personal accounts. Conclusion. If the world of historian intrigues you, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more enlightening word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.